Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to guide you through Moqups and show you how to use it step by step. Moqups is an amazing tool for creating wireframes, mockups and prototypes. If you're new to design or already have experience, this tutorial will help you get started quickly. I'll walk you through everything you need to know. First, let's talk about what Moqups is and how it can help with your design projects. Then we'll go over how to sign up, find your way around the dashboard, and start your first project. Finally, we'll cover how to add team members and integrate your Moqups account with other platforms. So, let's get started. First off, let me quickly explain what Moqups is. Moqups is an online design tool that helps you create wireframes, mockups, and prototypes. It's perfect for designers, teams, and businesses who want to plan and visualize their projects before bringing them to life. What makes Moqups special is its easy to use interface. You can create everything from simple wireframes to interactive prototypes. Furthermore, if you're designing a website, app, or any other project, Moqups has all the tools you need to plan it out. It offers pre-made templates, a wide range of UI elements, icons, and tools for working with your team. Plus, it's cloud-based, so you can access your projects from anywhere. Now that you know what Moqups is, let's move on and I'll show you how to sign up for Moqups. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. First off, go to mockups.com and when you're on the homepage, click the sign up for free button. Moqups gives you different sign up options. You can use your email, Google account, Microsoft account, Apple ID, Slack, or SAML, SSO. Choose the method that's more convenient for you. For this tutorial, we'll use Google to keep things simple. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken straight to your account dashboard. Now, let's take a closer look at the Moqups dashboard. The Moqups dashboard is super simple to use and helps you stay organized. At the top, you'll see three main tabs: Projects, Teams, and Account. First up, the Projects tab. This is where all your projects live. You can create new ones, check out templates, and find projects you've recently worked on, created yourself, archived, or that someone has shared with you. It's all in one place, so it's easy to manage. Next is the Teams tab. This is perfect for working with others. You can add team members, assign roles, and handle shared projects. Finally, there's the Account tab. This is where you can adjust your personal settings, update your profile, manage your subscription, and adjust preferences to make Moqups work just right for you. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now, let's discuss how to create a project in Moqups. To create a new project in Moqups, just click the plus new project button on your dashboard. A window will pop up with different options to get started. You can either go with a blank project to customize everything yourself, or pick from templates made for specific tasks, like wireframes, business plans, diagrams, or charts. For this demo, we'll go with the landing page wireframe template from the featured section. It's a great choice because it gives you a ready-made layout to design a professional landing page. Once you pick a template, your project opens up on the Moqups editor. On the left, there's the Pages panel. This is where you can see, add, or manage all the pages in your project. Below that, you'll find the Outline tab, which is super useful for keeping track of all the parts of your design, especially if it's a bit complicated. Then there's the Templates tab, where you can grab more ready-made templates, and the Images tab, which lets you upload or find images to use in your project. Further down, you'll see the Icons tab for adding icons, and the Comments tab, which is great for team feedback. In the main editing area, you'll find the template layout where you can easily drag and drop text, images, and other elements to customize your design. At the top, there's a toolbar with options to add diagrams, shapes, text, and images, plus tools to align everything neatly for a clean look. Over on the right, the Page Settings panel lets you change the canvas size, layout, and default text styles. You can even swap out colors across the whole page or project to keep your branding consistent. When you're ready to make changes, just click on any part of the template to edit it. You can update the headings, swap out the placeholder text, and adjust the layout however you like. Once you're done setting things up, your work saves automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. Once your project in Moqups is ready to go, you've got plenty of options, like you can preview it, share it, or export it easily. You can find all these options at the top right side of the editor. Alright, now that you know how to create a project, let's talk about adding new team members in Moqups. It's super easy. First, go to the Teams tab at the top of your dashboard. This will take you to the Teams page where you can manage everything related to your team, like checking their details or changing permissions. But for now, let's focus on adding someone new. To do this, click on the Add Add New Team button on the top left. Now, here's the thing. If you're using the free version of Moqups, you won't be able to add team members. You'll need to upgrade to the premium plan first. But if you already have the premium account, you're good to go. If you have a paid plan, just type in the email address of the person you want to add and hit invite. Moqups will send them an email with a link to join. The moment they accept the invite, they'll be added to your team and you can start working together on projects. Next, let's discuss how you can integrate Moqups with other platforms. Integrating Moqups with other platforms is super easy and makes teamwork very easy. Just go on the Account tab, click on the Integrations in the left menu, and you'll see a list of tools you can connect to Moqups. First up, the Google Drive integration. This lets you save your projects right into a Google Drive folder. You can even set it up so new projects sync automatically. Next, the Dropbox integration works in a similar way. Just export your projects to a Dropbox folder to back them up or share them easily. If you're a Box user, you can do the same thing by connecting to your Box account. If your team uses Slack, the Slack integration is a total game changer. It sends project comments from Moqups straight to your Slack channels, so everyone stays in a loop without jumping between apps. All you need to do is add your Slack team, approve the connection, and that's it, you're all set. If you use tools like Jira or Confluence, the Atlassian cloud integration is great. It lets you connect Moqups directly to Atlassian, so you can easily add your diagrams or designs into Jira tickets or Confluence pages. This makes everything clearer and helps your team work together better. Finally, there's the other webhooks option. This lets Moqups share project updates with any Slack-friendly platform you're already using, like custom tools or channels. These integrations are here to make things simple, keep your projects on track, and save you time. Just hit connect or add on anyone you want. Follow a few quick steps and you're good to go. Moqups is an online design tool that helps you create wireframes, mockups, and prototypes. It's perfect for designers, teams, and businesses who want to plan and visualize their projects before bringing them to life. What makes Moqups special is its easy to use interface. You can create everything from simple wireframes to interactive prototypes. Furthermore, if you're designing a website, app, or any other project, Moqups has all the tools you need to plan it out. It offers pre-made templates, a wide range of UI elements, icons, and tools for working with your team. Plus, it's cloud-based, so you can access your projects from anywhere. And that's it for this Moqups tutorial. Today we covered everything you need to know to get started with Moqups. We went over signing up, explored the dashboard, and created a new project. I hope this video made it easy for you to understand how to use Moqups for your design projects. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Also, if you have any questions or want to share your experience with Moqups, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.